Can one marker be enough? Many people believe that interior sketching requires dozens of expensive markers. In fact, I believe one marker can teach you more about interior sketching than 50 markers ever will. In this sketch, I'm using just one dark brown alcohol marker. And as you can see, by simply rotating the chisel nib, changing the pressure and varying the direction of each stroke, I can create fine lines, bold lines. I can create textures like textile that I'm doing right now. And this is actually one of my favorite marker rendering techniques because it reminds us that expressive sketches don't depend on the number of tools we own. They depend on how well we understand those tools. And to me, interior sketching is not only about learning to draw, more importantly, it's about learning to think visually. For me, every sketch begins long before the marker touches the paper. It begins with observation, with understanding space, with simplifying complex interior forms into clear geometric forms. You will understand that every table design or sofa design or chandelier design, it's basically a very basic geometric form. And with seeing proportions, relationships, and of course, our favorite perspective. And that's why I created the Interior Designer's Sketching Roadmap. It is a simple framework that reflects how sketching skills naturally develop. For example, first we learn to see space by understanding perspective and spatial relationships. Then we build space by constructing interiors and objects from, as I mentioned, simple geometric forms. Next, we render space using line, adding color, texture to create this atmosphere depth. And finally, we communicate space using sketching to present ideas clearly and confidently. If you'd like to explore these ideas in more depth, I recently published my free Ultimate Guide to Interior Sketching. Inside it, you'll find the complete interior designer sketching roadmap, together with carefully selected articles from my blog, YouTube tutorials, and practical resources covering perspective drawing, marker rendering. And I'm continually expanding this guide so it grows into a comprehensive resource for interior designers, architects, and design students. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember that interior sketching isn't only about learning to draw. More importantly, it's about learning to think visually.